There are a lot of smartphone gadgets available in the market, but some of the most useful ones are the most simple and cheap ones. So I've compiled a list of 5 smartphone gadgets or accessories that you can get in India for under 50 rupees. So let's get straight into the video. This one is the most powerful and the most functional, yet it is pretty simple. The OTG adapter will let you connect almost any USB device to your mobile phone directly, and you will be surprised to see the huge list of things that you can connect directly to your mobile. You can connect your DSLR to your mobile phone and use it as a secondary display. You can connect a full professional microphone. You can connect a mouse and keyboard combo. Also wirelessly cast the display and turn your mobile into a full-blown computer. I've made a video on that, it will be in the top right corner. And almost all the other USB things work as well, ranging from an Xbox controller, fan, light, to even the LAN cable that you can connect with the LAN adapter. You can connect this adapter to any normal pen drive and it will convert that pen drive into a mobile pen drive. So this adapter provides you with huge value for money, considering the fact that I bought this for just 20 rupees. Before you guys start asking, I bought this from an offline store near my house, and you can buy this online, but it would cost a little bit more, and that's kind of obvious. If you search online for a 2 rupees pencil or 10 rupees eraser, of course they would be more expensive online than they would be offline. But all of these accessories can be easily bought offline from any mobile store nearby. And if you live in a remote place, I'll have the links in the description so that you can buy them online. The next one is also pretty simple looking, and it looks as if someone has broke their 3mm earphone pin, but it is definitely not that. It is kind of a remappable key that will plug into your earphone jack, and it is called the Jacom key. Sounds like a complex name, but the functioning is pretty simple. It will plug into your earphone jack and will act as a remappable button. So you can use this extra button for doing almost anything. You can use this to start applications or games, or take pictures from the camera, or start Google Now when the phone is turned off. Or you could do some things like send an email or send a message, or even record a voice note. There are some other cool things that you can do with this as well. You can use this to secretly take a picture or video even when you have not unlocked your phone. So right now I've set the long press on the button to record a video. And you can see that even when the phone is locked, when I press and hold on the button, the recording will start and it will not turn on the screen. And to stop the recording, I have to long press the button again. Here is the quick video that we just recorded. The button is really small and it goes almost unnoticed, and the fact that you can remap it for 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 taps and long press actually makes it comparable to the functionality of 4 buttons. So if you use Bluetooth earphones like I do, or you don't have your earphones connected most of the time, this is a nice gadget to have plugged in at all times because it adds to the functionality of almost every phone. Before moving on to the next one, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you press the subscribe button and also tap on the notification bell because I keep making videos like this. The third one on the list is a mobile charging stand. Most of the sockets in our houses are above the ground level, and if there is not a table or a surface nearby, you can't put them on charging. So this charging stand will provide a surface so that you can put your phone while charging in mid-air. It goes between the charger and the socket, and it will keep hanging in the air, and you can also put your phone on it. It might look like a simple thing, but it is extremely useful. The quality of the stand is also quite good and it feels sturdy in the hand. So make sure you guys give this one a try. This is a multi-purpose ring holder for your mobile, and it sticks directly onto the back surface of your mobile. If you're right-handed, you can stick it just a bit to the right, and if you're a left-handed user, you can stick it just to the left. While using the phone, you can put any finger inside the hole. That sounded wrong. Take 2. While using the phone, you can put any finger inside the holder hole, and it will prevent your phone from accidentally slipping from your hand. And it will also provide you nice grip if you record a lot of videos or take a lot of pictures with your phone. And it also doubles up as a stand. So using this, you will be able to put your phone horizontally on some kind of flat surface like a table. And the best part about this is that it is made by Apple. I was just kidding. It's a nice ripoff, but it actually looks quite premium. At first I thought it would be some printed text that I can remove, but it's actually embossed and not printed. And considering the fact that I bought this for 30 rupees, it's quite good value for money. You can also buy a pop socket that is very similar to this, and it has almost the same working. The last one on the list is a jack splitter. You guys might have watched movies with your friends on a same laptop or a same mobile, or you wanted to connect two earphones at the same time to a laptop or a mobile, and this will let you do just that. It is very simple. You just have to connect this to the 3mm jack on your phone or your laptop, and then you'll be able to connect two earphones directly into the ports, and then both of you can listen to music or watch movies or do whatever you want. Guys, if you liked the video, make sure you press the subscribe button, and you can also watch some previous videos on this channel.